I signed up for Cla Mobile so you don't have to. I've been testing their $35 unlimited data plan on both my iPhone and Pixel phone for the past 2 weeks. And in this video, I'm covering everything you need to know: the full plan features, my experience using the service, and most importantly, how it stacks up against the competition. First, what is Cla Mobile? Cla Mobile is a phone service offered by Klarna, a fintech company that offers a buy now, pay later service. The phone plan is powered by Gigs, a platform that enables other companies to easily launch mobile phone service. Gigs is behind Cla Mobile, Sezzle Mobile, OnePay, and more. You're probably wondering, is this plan any good? And why would Klarna, a payments platform of all things, launch a mobile service? First, the plan is surprisingly good. It's $35 per month for unlimited priority data, 10 gigs of hotspot, 4K video streaming, and 1,000 minutes, 1,000 texts, and unlimited data in Canada and Mexico. It uses AT&T for coverage and has full access to AT&T's 5G Plus network. My total came to $39.19 per month after all taxes and fees. This is under half the price of AT&T's Premium 2.0 plan for the same unlimited priority data. I'll do an in-depth comparison of Cla Mobile versus the competition later in this video, but for now, why would Klarna even launch a phone plan? The answer is one word: distribution. You see, the big carriers spend hundreds of dollars to acquire new customers. Think Super Bowl ads, billboard ads, and free phone deals, and other promotional activities to get customers in the door and signed up for service. I've heard the big carriers can spend $600 on average to acquire a new postpaid wireless account. Why do the big carriers spend so much? Because the average lifetime value, or LTV, is about $6,000. This comes from my friend Roger, a leading telecom analyst in the space. This means even if the big carriers give you a free iPhone 17 Pro Max to sign up, they'd still make money on you in the long run. Of course, these acquisition costs are built into the plans. That's a reason why AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon have such expensive rates and why we continue to see them raise prices. But what if you could get a new customer without having to spend $600? What if you could leverage your existing 55 million monthly active users and 29 million US customers? And what if adding mobile service actually increased the likelihood that your customers stayed with you and used your other products? I think that is exactly what Klarna is doing with their phone plan. Put a banner in your app with millions of monthly active users, let them know about your new mobile service, make the plan half the cost as the big carriers, and offer the same premium service. Think about it, it's a win-win. Klarna spends close to $0 to get a new customer, and you get a premium cell phone plan that likely saves you money. The reason Klarna can offer a plan at such an affordable price is because they're not spending money on Super Bowl ads, free phone deals, or staffing physical store locations. They're able to pass on those savings to you in the form of a more affordable plan. And what's crazy is if just 1% of Klarna's 29 million US users sign up for the service, that's an extra $121 million in annual revenue. And if 10% sign up, that's an extra $1.2 billion in annual revenue. Plus, now people are more likely to use the Klarna app and service because they need the app to manage their phone plan. Yeah, if I were Klarna, I would probably launch a phone service too. But what you guys care about is the plan itself. Is it any good, and how does it stack up against the competition? Compared to the plans from the big carriers, T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T, Klarna's plan stacks up really well. It comes with the same unlimited priority data, the same 4K video streaming, and some of the best roaming in Canada and Mexico, all for under half the price for a single line. The only 5 reasons you would go with a plan from a big carrier are: 1, you want that extra high-speed hotspot data; 2, you want the ability to add a cellular watch line; 3, you want the ability to add a tablet line; 4, you want that option for international data roaming; or 5, you have multiple lines and are able to get that multi-line discount, so the price is a little bit more palatable. That said, if you have 1 or 2 lines, Klarna is easily an excellent option. It's also worth mentioning that Klarna is soon launching their own international eSIM plans which will give you data in over 150 countries starting at just $4. And until then, you can always grab a low-cost international eSIM plan from companies such as Airalo. Now, the real competition at Klarna comes from US Mobile and Red Pocket. US Mobile's Unlimited Starter Dark Star plan is one of the best value plans on the AT&T network. It comes with unlimited high-speed data. The data is deprioritized, which means you may temporarily notice slower speeds during times when the network is busy. It comes with double the hotspot data at 20 gigabytes, the same 4K video streaming, the option to add a tablet line starting at $10 for 2 gigs, and some okay options for international add-ons if you need them. At $25, this is the best entry-level unlimited plan on AT&T. You're really only going with Klarna if you want that unlimited priority data instead of being deprioritized. Next is the Red Pocket plan. This plan is a little weird. It comes with 50 gigs of high-speed data before unlimited data at 150 megabits per second. It comes with the same unlimited priority data, the same 10 gigs of hotspot, the same 4K video streaming, offers the option for a $10 3 gig tablet line, and has pretty decent international features. You get international calling to over 80 countries, 10 gigs in Canada and Mexico, and 10 gigs in over 60 countries. Red Pocket is $5 less than Klarna, making it a surprisingly good value, and it could be worth considering if you use 50 gigs or less per month, or you want those international roaming features included. Klarna's plan remains the best option if you want truly unlimited high-speed data with that priority access. Next is US Mobile's Unlimited Premium Dark Star plan. This is one of the most premium plans available on the AT&T network. It comes with unlimited priority data and a whopping 200 gigs of hotspot data. You'll notice this asterisk though. That's because the hotspot data is tiered. You get your first 100 gigabytes at full speeds, your next 100 gigabytes at 8 megabits per second, and then unlimited data at 600 kilobits per second thereafter. You also get the same 4K video streaming, the option to add a tablet line starting at $10 for 2 gigabytes, and excellent international features. You get free international texting and calling to over 200 countries. You get 200 minutes, 250 texts, and 20 gigs of data in Canada and Mexico, as well as 200 minutes, 250 texts, and 20 gigs of data in over 80 countries. If you are a big hotspot user or international traveler, the extra $5 to jump from Klarna's plan to US Mobile's plan will likely be worth it. Now, US Mobile also offers an annual plan, which drops the price to just $32.50 per month. This is one of the best value plans available on the AT&T network. If you're willing to pay that $390 upfront for service, then US Mobile's plan is excellent and definitely worth considering. However, if you want something that is month to month, then Klarna's plan remains the best value for unlimited priority data on AT&T at a good month to month price. The best plans on the T-Mobile and Verizon networks come from Metro by T-Mobile and Total Wireless. Metro's plan is an excellent option. It comes with unlimited high-speed data, though the data is deprioritized. It comes with the same 10 gigs of hotspot, 480p video streaming, the option to add a tablet line with unlimited data starting at $20, and you have some mediocre options for international add-ons, mostly in just Canada and Mexico. Considering this is just $30 a month with taxes and fees included, this is the best truly unlimited data plan available on the T-Mobile network. The best plan for you likely comes down to whether you get better T-Mobile coverage or AT&T coverage in your area. Next is the Total Max 5G Bring Your Own Device plan. This plan is brand new, it just launched last week, and it might just be the new best value plan in the industry. Check this out. It comes with unlimited priority data, unlimited hotspot data at 5 megabits per second, 1080p video streaming while on 5G ultra wideband, and 720p on LTE, the option to add an unlimited tablet line for just $10 extra, free international texting and calling to over 180 countries, 300 minutes unlimited texts and 10 gigs of roaming in Canada and Mexico, and 300 minutes unlimited texts and 10 gigs of roaming in over 140 countries. And all of this is just $25 a month with taxes and fees included when you bring your own device. That is an awesome value. Considering this plan is about $15 cheaper than Klarna's plan, it's definitely worth considering. Again, the best plan for you likely comes down to whether you get better Verizon coverage or AT&T coverage in your area. Klarna also has one more trick up its sleeve. If you are an existing Cla Max customer, then you can get their plan starting at just $30 a month. After taxes and fees, I estimate this will be about $34.19. That is an even better value. But what is Klarna Max? Klarna Max is one of Klarna's paid subscriptions. It's $44.99 per month, and it comes with 2% cash back on every debit purchase, the ability to cancel for any reason, giving you up to a 70% refund on trips and events canceled over 24 hours before, unlimited complimentary access to over 1,800 airport lounges, service fees waived on all pay later purchases, and 18 subscriptions included. And pretty soon, you'll get that $5 discount on the Cla Mobile plan as well. And what did I say earlier, right? Launching a mobile phone plan to get existing Klarna customers to use other Klarna products and to stay a Klarna customer for longer, right? Everything all ties together. So now you're probably wondering, what is the experience like actually using Klarna Mobile? I decided to find out. I signed up on both my iPhone and my Pixel phone, and I tested everything. RCS, group messaging, picture messaging, Wi-Fi calling, mobile hotspot, and visual voicemail. I'm happy to report all of these features worked perfectly on both iPhone and Android. Video streaming was also at full 4K quality with no video speed caps. Klarna also gets access to AT&T's 5G network and its 5G Plus network. I saw speeds over 700 megabits per second in some areas. Activation is also super seamless. You enter the phone number you're transferring, review the plan details. You can see you actually get your first month free when you bring your number, which is super nice. And then you go ahead and pay for your service. Next, you set up your line. You enter your port out details, including your account number and transfer PIN, so Klarna can transfer your phone number over to their service. My number took about 15 minutes to transfer over. Once your transfer is complete, you'll see a button to install your eSIM. Go ahead and tap on that, follow the prompts, and you are good to go. I'll leave my full video on how to get activated on Klarna linked in the video description if you'd like a more in-depth guide on how to get set up. Speaking of the Klarna app, which you use to activate your service, you also use the app to manage your plan, and it's surprisingly good. Now, the app is primarily for shopping, so you can see some exclusive deals and promotions on the homepage here. To manage your phone service, tap on More Mobile Plans, and you'll instantly see all of your active lines. You can see when each line renews, and this is super nice for managing multiple lines from a single account. Tap any line, and you can view the full plan details here, which we've already covered. If you ever need to transfer your eSIM to a new device, simply tap Unlimited Plan, tap Replace eSIM, and boom, you can easily get a new eSIM and easily move your phone number over to your new phone. If you ever decide to leave Klarna, it's also super easy. Tap Move Your Number Away, check the box, create transfer details, and you instantly get a full list of all of the information you need to transfer your phone number with buttons to copy each field individually or one button to copy all of the fields all at once. This is amazing to see and super consumer friendly. The one thing I am a bit bummed about is there is no way to view your usage or track your monthly hotspot usage. But considering this is an unlimited plan, it's probably not that necessary. And that is Klarna Mobile. Is it the perfect plan? No. It doesn't support tablets or smartwatches. International calling and texting are just to Canada and Mexico, and international roaming will be data only and is launching soon. But at under $40 for the features people do need: unlimited priority data, enough hotspot for work on the go, 4K streaming, and coverage on AT&T, this is a great plan. I'm kind of surprised to be saying this, but I definitely recommend Klarna Mobile. It's simple, works well, has a consumer-friendly app, and is a great option if you have one or two lines. What do you think of Klarna's plan? Let me know with a comment below. I'm Stetson, and I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you next time.